Hello students, in this video we will learn MCQs of class TYBA and subject is G3 economics, means economic development and planning. So let me start the MCQs. First MCQ question is, which is not instrument of monetary policy? Option A, bank rate. Option B, cash reserve ratio. Option C, tax. And option D, repo rate. And its correct answer is option C, tax, because it's part of fiscal policy, not monetary policy. Taxation is part of fiscal policy. Next question is, vicious circle of poverty explained by? A option, Ragnar Nurks. B option, David Ricardo. Option C, Adam Smith. Option D, J.M. Keynes. And its correct answer is Ragnar Nurks. Next question, economic development is a dash dash concept. Option A, qualitative. Option B, quantitative. Option C, both. Option D, none of these. And its correct answer is option A, qualitative. Next question, a division of labor principle popularized by? Option A, David Ricardo. Option B, Malthus. Option C, Joseph Schumpeter. Option D, Adam Smith. And correct answer is option D, Adam Smith. Then next question is indicators of economic development. Indicators of economic development, we have to choose correct indicators of economic development. Option A, environmental balance. Option B, progress in human development index, means progress in HDI. Option C, structural transformation. And option D, all of the above. And its correct answer is option D, all of the above. Then next question, which three indicators, we are talking about the three indicators, are used in the human development index, means HDI? First indicator is standard of living. Second indicator is education. Third indicator is life expectancy. And fourth indicator is condition of environment. So out of these four indicators, which three indicators are used for preparation of HDI? So options are A option, only first, second and fourth indicator. B option, only first, second and third indicator. Option C, only first and second indicator. And option D, all of the above. If we read the question carefully, then we can understand, we can eliminate easily some options, such as here they have clearly mentioned which three indicators are used in the HDI development index, human development index. So here we have referred four indicators. So all of the above, we can't, all of the above will be not answer, because there are four indicators and here clearly they mention three indicators. Then option C indicates only two indicators, but question straightly talking about the three indicators. So option C will be not answer. So option A and B will be remain as a correct answer, and out of that option B is correct answer of this question. Then next question, per capita income calculated by option A, total national income divided by total population. B option, total population divided by total national income. Option C, total national income divided by total investment. Option D, total national income divided by total consumption. And its correct answer is option A, total national income divided by total population. The next question, which of the following is a demographic characteristic of developing economy? Which of the following is demographic characteristic of developing economy? Option A, lack of proper industrialization. Option B, low development means of transport. Option C, poor quality of human development. Option D, low capital formation. So out of these options we have to select demographic characteristic of developing country. So here correct answer is option C, poor quality of human development, because demographic characteristics are related to population and the quality of human development is the part of demography. The next question is, which of the following is or are socio-cultural characteristics of developing economy? Option A, lack of social infrastructure. Option B, superstitious. Option C, inequality of men and women. And option D, all of the above. And its correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, constraints on development process includes A, vicious circle of poverty. Option B, population explosion. Option C, scarcity of capital. Option D, all of the above. And its correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which of the following country is developing country? Option A, Germany. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, India. Option D, Australia. And its correct answer is option C, India. India is developing country, and rest of the other countries like Germany, United Kingdom, Australia, of these options of the questions are developed countries. Then next question is, in underdeveloped countries, in underdeveloped economies, availability of capital is A option abundant, B option nothing, C option scarcity, D option none of these. And its correct answer is option C, scarcity.